Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this video, we will learn how to add a YouTube video in our website. So, let's get started. To add a video in website is called embedding. Now, to embed a YouTube video, move to YouTube and search for the video that you want to add. Because I want to add a video of Mr. Beast, so I am searching for it. Now click on the video. Scroll down and click on this share button. When you click it, this page will show up. Now click on this embed option and copy it. Now, come to the code and paste it inside the body. Then run the code. You can see that we have got the video in our website. Let's play it.
I'm going to attempt to spend the next 7 days in solitary confinement.
You can see it's working. That's it for today's lesson. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe. See you at the next video. Until then, bye.